Hi everyone, are you creating songs with Suno AI but feel like they could sound a little better, more polished, or more personal? Well, today I'm going to share some tips on how to instantly improve your AI generated songs in Suno AI. Let's dive in. First, you need to be specific with your prompts. The more specific and detailed your text prompt is, the better the song will match your vision. Mention the genre, the mood, the instruments, tempo, and vocal style, like this example prompt here. And then you can tweak the lyrics, the flow, and the catchiness because sometimes the AI generates lyrics that are little awkward. After generating, you need to review the lyrics and rewrite the tweak lines for a better rhyme, rhythm, or emotional impact. You can also use an AI assistant like ChatGPT to help rewrite the lines that don't quite hit. Then, if you have access of Sono AI custom mode, you can upload your own lyrics or fine-tune certain sections. Then, after generating your song, don't stop there. Use a tools like the vid or the audacity and more and adjust the EQ or the volume levels. You can add the subtle reverb or effects and makes the AI generated song sound more professional and polished. And try different prompt variations. Don't settle for the first try. Reward your prompts, try different genre or mood, and request variations of the same song. And that's it. Those are my pro tips on to instantly improve your AI generated songs in Suno AI. Now it's your turn to experiment and level up your tracks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.